Welcome back. We are still on the topic sets. Like I said earlier, that the initial phase of this topic is always story. We're not really gotten to the point where we start solving problems. But we must understand the story part of it, as it will help us when we get to the calculation aspect of it. So, now we want to talk about types of sets. And these are a few types of sets we'll be looking at. We have what we call an empty set, singleton or unit set, disjoint set, finite and infinite set, equal set and then equivalent set, subsets, superset, power set, universal set, and so on. But before I start, let me begin with the first here, which is, or the last thing here, which is cardinality of a set. Now, we must understand, anytime you hear the word cardinality of a set, you must understand what it means. The cardinality of a set simply means the number of elements in a set. The number of elements in a set. That is what we call cardinality of a set. So let's see if I have a set A to be equals to 1, 2, 5, 7. And the question is, what is the cardinality of set A? It simply means what is the number of elements in set A. The number of elements in set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That means that the cardinality of set A is 4. So instead of asking you what is the number of elements in set A, they'll be asking you what is the cardinality of set A. So cardinality simply talks about the number of elements in a set. So if I have a set B to be equals to 1, 5, 7, 1, 2, and so on, and I'm asked what is the cardinality of set B, that is the number of elements in set B, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very, very wrong. It is not 5. In set, when the element repeats, it is counted as 1. So how many 1 do we have? 1, 1. So you count these two 1 as just one element. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That means that the cardinality of set B is 4. So automatically there are 4 elements there. So even if I have this to be 7 now, and I have this to be, say, 2, and I'm asked for the cardinality of this set, we have 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 elements there. Because 2 repeats, you count it as 1. 7 repeats, you count it as 1. So the cardinality of set B at this point is just 3. So that's what cardinality of a set is. Now, with that understanding, let me start from the first one now to explain quickly the types of sets.